Right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the sum of an finite series. Alright, sum of a finite series. I'm going to introduce two methods. Right, two methods. So you have to go through all the video so that you understand. So the first part, I go for method 1 where I do listing, where's the summation, right? So when n is 1, so when r is 1, so when r is 1, so it will be 1 over 1 plus 2 minus with 1 over 1 plus 3, right? Okay, this is the first term, right? A series, so it add up for the second term, r equals to 2. Alright, when r equals to 2, so you were having 1 over 2 plus 2. Now r is 2, so 2 plus 2 you have 2 plus 2. So minus with 1 over 2 plus 3. Alright, so we keep on adding to see there is a pattern, alright? There is a pattern. So when r equals to 3, so what happened? So you will have 1 over 3 plus 2 minus with 1 over 3 plus 3. Alright, so if we keep on listing, they will be up to the term where r equals to n, right? The last term, the n term, right? Or we said the last term for this series. So which will be giving me 1 over n plus 2. N plus 2 minus with 1 over n plus 3. So we try to look at the term before the last term. So r equals to n minus 1. So then r equals to n minus 1. Okay, plus dot 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 means there is a continuum of addition in the series. So the term before, so n minus 1. So I substitute n minus 1 here. So 1 over n minus 1 plus 2 minus with 1 over n minus 1 plus 3. Right? So there will be a term before r equals to n minus 2. Right? R equals to 4, so on. Eventually up to term n. So we try to look at the pattern. This will be the full stop. This is the last term, right? The last term for this series. So try to look at it. So now I'm going to simplify this part here. So this whole thing is going to be equals to, this will be 1 over 3 minus with 1 over 4. And then add up with 1 over 4 minus with 1 over 5. Keep on adding, and will be 1 over 5 minus with 1 over 6. So if you keep on adding, okay, I add another term. Let's say I add r equals to 4 for you. So here will be 1 over 4 plus 2. Here will be 1 over 6 minus with 1 over 7. Right? 4 plus 3. Okay, keep on adding. So there's any. Alright? So we know that finally I'm going to see something happen. So n minus 1 plus 2 is n plus 1 minus with 1 over minus 1 plus 3, it will be n plus 2. And then here you have 1 over n plus 2 minus with 1 over n plus 3. Alright, look at this. Right? Look at the you can see that the 1 over 3, the 1 over 4 here will be cancelled off with this one. Negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 here. So if you add up this, the middle term will eventually cancel out, alright? The middle, beside the first term and the last term, the middle term all will be cancel out each other. For example, negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, this will become 0. Negative 1 over 5 plus 1 is 0. Negative 1 over 6 and 1 over 6 becomes 0. So on, this one. Until this one also will cancel off. And here got negative 1 over n plus what? N plus 2. Plus with 1 over n plus 2, this also will be cancelled off. At last, you just left with 2 terms, which is 1 over 3 minus with 1 over n plus 3. Alright, this will be the sum of this series. Sum of this series, for example, at n, summation of r equals to 1. So 1 over r plus 2 minus with 1 over r plus 3 can be simplified. Sum, the value will be 1 over 3 minus 1 over n plus 3. Alright, so you can simplify the fraction here. You can simplify the fraction here by multiply here with n plus 3. So n plus 3, whereas here you multiply with 3. So divided by 3n plus 3. So finally you have n, 3 minus 3, n over 3n plus 3 as the solution for this series. Okay, this is the n term for the sum of this series. Alright, let's look at another method by using the form. Right, now I'm going to introduce you the method 2 for solving this problem. So where I can use the method of difference. Alright, method of difference, which I already discussed what is the method of difference in the previous video. So which, if I can rewrite my sum of a series, UR, the UR is referred to this, this is my UR, alright, my R term, can be rewrite as the n, the sum of the first n term, in term of FR plus 1 minus with FR. Then you can find the formula will be, the sum will be, you are getting Fn plus 1 minus with F1. Alright, so this is a method of difference. As long as I can rewrite the term here in term of Fr plus 1 minus Fr. So for instance, I see that here will be R plus 3, extra 1 compared to this one, right? So I can factorize the negative out. So negative and summation of R equals to 1. So here you will have 1 over R plus 3 minus with 1 over R plus 2, right? If you see this one R plus 3, this one R plus 2. This one is larger compared to this one, okay? So then I know that my FR plus 1 will be equals to 1 over R plus 3 if my FR is equals to 1 over R plus 2, right? So if my FR, I'm going to simulate to this, so where the FR is 1 over R plus 2. So if FR is 1 over R plus 2, so FR plus 1 will be equals to 1 over, I replace the R with R plus 1 plus with 2, right? R plus 1. So eventually we'll get 1 over R plus 3, right? Which is the same as this. So now I have proven that this is the difference between R1, this is the FR plus 1, can write as FR plus 1 minus with, this is your FR, right? You try to look at this. 1 over R plus 3, this is 1 over R plus 2, which is FR, and this is FR plus 1. If you can, not all the sum of a finite series can be written in this form. Not all the finite series can be written in this form. So there are some special cases like this. You can rewrite in this form, then you can using this. This formula where, okay, negative bracket, I'm using this formula for this part here. So Fn plus 1. So means Fn plus 1 minus with F1. So I'm going to substitute the n plus 1 into the f. Into the f here. So the r replaced by n plus 1. So will be replaced with 1 over n plus 1 plus 2. Alright. N plus 1, n plus 1. So minus with f1. I substitute 1 inside here, f1. So it will be 1 over 1 plus 2. 1 over 3. Alright, 1 over 3. So you were getting negative, okay, I multiply the negative, so we're getting 1 over 3 minus with 1 over n plus 3. So you try to rearrange this, you are getting n plus 3 minus with, this one multiplied with 3 over with 3n plus 3. So eventually we'll get the same solution as the method of listing, okay? N plus 3. So this is called the method, the second method I introduced for you using the method of difference. Alright, that's all for this video. You can go for another video. I will show more example about this in the next video.